You're welcome back, my superstars, and if you're just joining us, you are welcome. Today we'll be talking about 10 profitable business ideas you can start as a Nigerian student. Okay, as a student in Nigeria, I know you think of something to do as a side hustle. So if you are in this category, then this video is for you. I'll be outlining 10 businesses you can do as a side hustle that won't affect you in any way as a student, and then you can make money in Nigeria. And if you're also someone who's looking for something to do, you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a guy who's looking for what to do, then these businesses are also things you can do. So don't go away, stay till the end of this video, because if number 1 doesn't work for you, number 3 might work, number 7 might work, or number 10 might work. All these business ideas are very lucrative, and the great thing is that it requires a low startup capital. Some require as low as 50,000 naira, some 20,000 naira, and some you do not even need startup capital at all. All you need is your Android phone and you can get started and start making money. So my superstars, let's get started. But before we do, Amido is sitting here. I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you like this kind of content, then hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Alright, let's dive in. Let me start with the business I did as a Nigerian student. When I was a student in the university, the first business I did was bedsheet business. Yes, I sold bedsheets in the university and I made good money from it. Bedsheet business is very profitable because every house use bedsheets. They lay bedsheets on their bed. Every student use bedsheets they laid on their beds. There's a high demand for bedsheets, okay? No one can sleep on a bed without laying bedsheets. So there's a high demand for bedsheets. Hotels use bedsheets, schools use bedsheets, hospitals use bedsheets. Every establishment, hospitality establishment use bedsheets. So there's a high demand for bedsheets. All you have to do is go to Aba in Abia State, get your bedsheets, sew it there, package it, and then come and make your sales. Alright, my superstars, if you want a more detailed video on how I was able to make millions in the university from selling bedsheets, then let me know in the comment section and I'll make a more detailed video telling you how the systems I used to sell, how I was able to make lots and lots of money in a very short period of time. Okay, and I'll go ahead and make the full video. The next business you can do as a Nigerian student is tutoring. Yes, if there's that course you know so much and another person doesn't know so well, then it's an opportunity for you to make money. All you have to do is let people know. If you know that people are always coming to you to ask you questions regarding a particular course and you do it excellently well, then it's something you can make money from. You can get those people and tell them, and we'll have extra lessons. Okay, we'll arrange a time, you teach them, okay, at a fee, and then you make money. Okay, my superstars. Next business idea is assignment assistant. We have so many busy parents who do not have time to help their children with assignments. Okay, so that's where you come in. If you are very good with math, English, primary science, chemistry, physics, whatever subject you are good at, you can reach out to parents and tell them that you help with assignments, help their children with assignments. Look out for busy working class parents who go to work and come back late at night, like 9 p.m., 8 p.m., and they're exhausted and cannot help their children with homework. Reach out to them. They'll be so happy that that burden is lifted from off their shoulder. Okay, you can actually host these tutoring classes via WhatsApp video call. Okay, they'll snap the assignment, send to you, you solve it, or you make a video of the solution and send it to the child, and that will help the child do his or her homework virtually. Okay, you can also take so many families. Doesn't necessarily have to be one. You can help 2, 5 students depending on how fast you can handle it, and by the end of the month you accumulate the profits, you accumulate the money you make from these parents. That's something huge, helping people do their assignments. Okay, Next is barbing. Okay, if you're a Nigerian student, a guy living in the hostel, and you've not thought about learning how to barb, then you are not trying at all. Okay, on Saturdays, we have so many guys who want to barb their hair, clean up, and all that. It's a great opportunity for you to make money. Okay, so we have clippers that do not need electricity, that are battery operated. Some are rechargeable clippers. You can get one of such, which should go about 25,000 naira or thereabout, or 20,000 naira, or might even be 15,000 naira. Okay, you get a rechargeable clipper. And then on Saturdays, you those guys inform guys in different hostels that you barb, so they do not have to go out in the sun or go out to barb. You barb them every Saturday. If you barb like 10 to 20 guys on a Saturday, that's good money made from barbing. And you know what? If people know that you are doing it, they will be booking you, they will be lining up for you to barb them. Okay, so it's a very simple skill you can go acquire maybe during holidays. Go to any barber shop, watch and learn, and by the time school resumes, you can do it in your hostel, you can do it in your room, and make good money barbing people. And you know what? This skill is something that is very, very profitable and lucrative, not just in Nigeria. If you happen to cross the borders of this country, later you leave to other countries, you will find out that barbing is a very, very lucrative business, that you can earn a lot of money from just barbing. All right, so think about it, my superstars. All right, next is fixing lashes. Okay, so if you are a lady in the hostel and you do not know how to fix lashes, you are wrong. You are so wrong, my superstars. How can you be a lady in the hostel and you don't know how to fix lashes? Ladies love lashes. Even if a girl doesn't have money, you'll see her with lashes, very beautiful lashes. They spend so much on lashes as students. So this is one thing you need to learn and do. And it doesn't even take time to fix lashes. With in 10 minutes you are done fixing lashes for someone. In 5 minutes, depending on how good you are done fixing lashes, and then you collect like 5,000 from someone. Is that not a great way to make money? Okay, so if you didn't know how to fix lashes, my superstars, go and learn. We have so many videos on YouTube you can watch to learn how to fix lashes. Go and watch it and start fixing lashes in that hostel. On Saturdays, when they are going for weddings, you will be surprised at the number of ladies that will line up in your hostel for you to fix their lashes, and you make your quick money and you go. Okay, my superstars, have you given me a thumbs up? Please hit the like button. Thank you. That's all I ask of you. And this video was supposed to be 10 profitable business ideas for Nigerian students in the university. But you know what? I've realized that if I should mention 10, it will take this video for too long. So how about we break it into 2 parts? All right. So in our next video, we'll talk about 5 more business ideas for Nigerian students in the university or college. And you can hit the video on your screen right now to watch, or check out the description box for links on the next video. Okay, my superstars, I've done videos on video editing for those who are interested in starting video editing in Nigeria. Please check out the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I appreciate you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, my superstars.